This is out of E3709 G36. A little hard to see. The flaps burned up. This is the up limit switch. The up limit switch was pushed open, but there was resistance. I was seeing 19.5 ohms from the normally closed to the common. It gets pushed open by the flap. The roller gets pushed open. So when that happens, here is the common, right? The common part of the switch, and the normally closed, which we're in that state right now, and the switch arm comes along and pushes the plunger and then changes the state of the switch, and it does this. But when it would do that, it would still meter some resistance across that, and I'm thinking it's very tough to see. There might be crap built up around the little step there, with a combination of water and dirt that might wash up in there would cause this problem. So I'm gonna meter it just the way it is right now and see if it changes, or see if by opening it and drying it out a little bit fixed it. But they could either use a sealed switch, or just from looking at the bottom cover and the top cover, very difficult to see here, that this has a lot of water and dirt in it. This is the underside of the switch cover, that it comes in the seam. I'm wondering if like sealing the edge with a little bit of magical super glue might keep that out, or greasing the switch, you know, something like that.